John is originally from Switzerland, but I've moved here in 2019. My wife and I are massage therapists, and I'm also a health educator, personal trainer, and discovering the Human Garage is going to change the way I work on the body, so getting the hands-on to be able to use that during the sessions in the room and all that is going to be really helpful. I think the main thing for me here is being able to work with different people, different types of bodies, and also doing partner fascial maneuvers. Kind of understanding better how, when me and Jackie are working on the client, where she can be to can help me go through one specific maneuvers, because I've been doing fascial maneuvers assisted with people where I do totally twisted or different things, but it's just me. So having another person there to know like how they can help improve the movement is going to be very helpful.
Put your arms around. We're going to breathe as one, because we're going to get ready for what's going to happen here today.
It was nice to see them work on people and kind of be just there and feel that it was something that was happening all together. Even though they were just working on one person, at different times felt like we're all holding that space together. So that felt really nice. I've worked on my wife before, but working on somebody that I didn't know also was pretty cool. In different sizes and shapes, and having the feedback from them, knowing like where to lean or how to twist was good too. The Human Garage is like one of the best things that happened in my life. They are on the right track, they resonate with my heart, they're like bringing truth into the world and helping people see that we are not broken, we're perfect, and it's just a matter of like bringing that back to the surface, but we have everything that we need.